So another very exciting blog was released from Drayton Manor Park, sharing more info about what the team have been doing during the close season. So without no further ado, let's get straight into the video. Due to the fire in December 2020 in the Thomasland area of the park, the Thomasland toilets are being rebuilt. The fire was devastating and unexpected, meaning that the team at Drayton Manor have only had a few months to rebuild the toilet facility. These toilets should be in operation by the summer. Moving on from that, the most exciting update that was in this post are that Drayton Manor are introducing a brand new Thomas movie replacing Ice Age in their 4D cinema. The movie will be named Bubbling Boilers, and this is a small teaser Drayton Manor stated in their post. When Thomas crashes into an old mine, he experiences the ride of his life. The attraction is set to be opening in summer. Now, isn't this fantastic? Ice Age has been in the Drayton Manor 4D cinema for a good few years now, so it's great to see a brand new, fresh short movie going into the cinema, even if it is a Thomas movie, which of course is aimed at a younger audience. A brand new exhibit has been complete inside the Drayton Manor Zoo, housing colourful African birds. The exhibit has been designed to meet their every needs. This is great to see more investment going into the zoo side of Drayton Manor. The last update is that the Safari Pizza and Pasta restaurant has had a brand new menu and a refresh. There's a brand new selection of pizzas, pastas and refreshing salads for everyone to enjoy. So there we go, there is the second update, all based around Drayton Manor Park. No teasers or info about Splash Canyon in this one, however I still firmly believe it will be coming back either this season or of course the next season. Anyway, if you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now!